Hello, everyone. So, today there is a surprise for you because I'm going on a date. Date with? A date, a blind book date is planned for me by the Paper Dolphin. So, let's see what they have planned for me. I have received a bag, cute bag, where Paper Dolphin is written. Inside that, I can see so many things. Whoa! A thank you card, a bookmark, a postcard, so beautiful, and a book blind date. It is written, what is the book about? And let's see. So, this book is about a trip to Italy, promises change, old secret follow close behind. Love blossoms where life feels possible. Let's see. It is by a British author. Genre is romance, chick lit, contemporary, adult, family, women's. Ooh, let's open the book. Okay, I'm very bad with packages. But I will keep this with me forever. This. Under